Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of Tech World. I hope you all are doing fine. I'm back with another tutorial video which will guide you to download Google Messages in your Android device. Google Messages is an instant messaging application developed by Google for Android smartphones. It allows people to text chat, send group text, secure videos, audios, and many more. If you want to operate Google Messages on your phone, watch this video till the end without keeping and do like the video and subscribe the channel. Now let's crush this. First of all, make sure you have good internet connection, then get started by clicking on Google Play Store, then tap on the search box and type Google Messages onto it, then instantly this screen will appear on your phone. Now tap on the green button that says install. Well, installing may take some time if you have a poor internet connection, but keep your patience. Google Messages is successfully installed. Hope you enjoyed the process. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Do subscribe the channel, comment down below for any feedbacks. I'll soon be back with more tutorial video. Till then, take care, bye bye, see you later.